Hi there. I'm going to talk about Zimbra, the product review, and its store. What is Zimbra? Zimbra is a fully featured collaboration tool, and it is one of the most powerful open source tools available in the market today. With features like email, calendar, along with collaboration tools like folder sharing and instant messaging, Zimbra has made a mark in today's enterprise software category. Take, for example, Zimbra Desktop Client. It melds the online and offline worlds, storing and syncing your email, calendar, contacts, files, and documents in the cloud, yet having them locally accessible when on the road. Zimbra aggregates information across various accounts such as Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Hotmail, etc., and across social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, etc., to help ensure that communication and sharing information is easier than ever. Zimbra also supports POP3, IMAP, POP3S, and IMAP-S. Zimbra can be compared to none other than Mozilla Thunderbird email client, but with the power of a collaboration tool. Thunderbird is just an email client where you can access different email services like Gmail and Yahoo Mail, whereas Zimbra brings in collaboration features like file sharing and instant messaging, etc. Now, its features and advantages. One of the major advantages of Zimbra, perhaps because of VMware, is its ability to go virtual on the cloud. Zimbra server can be installed and managed on the cloud and is compatible with any cloud environment, be it a private or public cloud. Let me make an open statement here. Zimbra is better than Microsoft Exchange Server. Even though the statement would raise an eyebrow for many people, the fact that Zimbra offers a ton of features on an open source fashion cannot be denied. A thread based display technology is used to display messages as Google does. Unlike Gmail, Zimbra Desktop won't thread conversations into one email entry, but it will list previous conversations with the same subject line beneath the latest message. Zimbra also comes with built in support for contacts, calendars, and tasks and could be synced without the need to hunt the internet for add ons or plugins to get it to work. Standard based syncing protocols like CallDAV and CardDAV are supported. Also, you need not worry about losing data or corruption as it comes with a full backup. Now, Zimbra's wiki documents allows users to create and share wiki pages centrally and on the cloud. This collaboration features eliminates the use for a separate wiki server. Zimbra broadens its appeal and its promise to non-Zimbra server users as well. It offers high level of security and the information stored would be encrypted. It can handle all email boxes from a single program launch. With Zimbra, you can quickly review all new emails and select priorities. You need not sign in or log out of multiple accounts. You can read, forward, edit, or delete email offline to synchronize later. It has fast and easy access to resources and performs incredible two-way sync with Apple Google Apps account. Even though it has multiple advantages, it does have a few disadvantages as well. There is no facility to take notes. Revision of contacts may require frequent export import manuals due to syncing issues. It lacks tabs, backgrounds, and other features. It is difficult to switch between different open mails, emails. Syncing of POP3 accounts sometimes fails and it stays failed. The result is that POP3 emails cannot be picked up quickly on Zimbra. So what is the bottom line? So overall, it is a very delightful free product with the potential to become the next generation email and collaboration client. Installation procedures are a bit proprietary solutions. It works flawlessly with Google Apps account out of the box. For a Google app user, Evolution, Thunderbird, and SeaMonkey pale in comparison as an email client effortlessly syncs with email calendars and contacts. It utilizes screen space efficiently, unlike Thunderbird and Evolution, whose space allocation and positioning are comparatively poor. It is a pleasure to use Zimbra's interface. Information could be quickly reached as well as effortlessly switched between email inbox, calendar view, contact list, etc. This isn't just an Outlook replacement for Linux, it supersets it. But Zimbra is a resource intensive, unlike the Microsoft Exchange server, and if used by a large number of users, would not be effective. Thus, it would be more efficient to be used in a small office environment as opposed to an enterprise level deployment. The compatibility of Zimbra and Microsoft Exchange server with existing IT infrastructure is an important factor to look out for because you want to be sure that your existing systems will be able to function with your collaboration platform, and at the same time it will allow you to review costs. Now next, let us move on to our product demo. Now Zimbra can be downloaded from Zimbra downloads, or you can also download it with wget command from the Linux terminal to download the packages. Now to install Zimbra, we have to run install.sh, and this will walk you through a step-by-step procedure to install the various packages. Now there are two consoles for Zimbra. One is, as you can see here, the web client console, and the other one is the Zimbra admin console. Client console, you can just log in as a Zimbra user. Various users can log in using this, and for an administrator to make changes to the Zimbra, uh, you have to log in using the Zimbra admin account. So the username and password I have set by default here is admin, and the password is admin. And using that, once I log on, you can see the Zimbra interface. Now the IP address for this is 172.16.0.151, and but for the administrator the difference is it is 172.16.0.151 colon 7071. Now both runs on HTTPS, not on HTTP. So as you can see here, this is the interface of Zimbra. Zimbra admin console and web client. Zimbra can be put on a cloud-based environment as well, as since it is compatible with all browsers, and admin or user can remotely log into the server to either configure or use Zimbra. One of the collaboration features we used here is the email client with folder sharing option. Here you can see a folder called for people. Now what we have done is like what we can do is like just under the folders you can create something called a new folder, and you can name it something and say okay. And this would come under the folder tabs here. So you can like customize it in like various ways you want, and as you can see there are like various things available here: the mail, the address books, and where you can store all the contacts, the calendar for storing the important dates and stuff. And there is another interesting feature called tasks, where you can start up a task like with the start date and due date, and it will show you the amount of the percentage completed. Now I have completed the project and I had marked as completed, so it is showing as completed. So this would set up a reminder every time that okay, fine, your project is due or something of that sort. And there is something called preferences, where you can change almost all so many settings in that, whatever settings are available. And you can and there is something called Zimlets available with Zimbra. As you all know, that Zimlets are like add-on applications that enhance the functionality of your client. So, so these are the various settings which you can change. So all these you can change to by your needs, by your company demands. And there are different things like calendar, etc. So this is the interface of Zimbra. Also, there is a feature called folder sharing. So you just click on a folder and then say share folder. So this can be used to share folders within a group. That is like for our four people company, what I've done is like I have created a folder called four people and then I've shared it with my three other teammates. So you just have to enter your teammates' names. So it will just come up over here and then you just have to add them to it and say okay. So here, now you're ready to share it with your team member. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching.